Classic blueberry muffins. Ingredients: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, ½ cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of or 1½ sticks of unsalted butter, melted, 1½ cups of blueberries, about 8 ounces, 3 tablespoons of coarse sugar. Equipment: a standard 12-cup muffin pan. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, then line the muffin pan with lines. Whisk the flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Whisk the eggs, sour cream, milk, and vanilla in a medium bowl. Mix the egg mixture into dry ingredients, then stir in butter, then fold in the blueberries. Divide the batter among the muffin cups, filling to the brim, about ½ cup batter per muffin, then sprinkle with coarse sugar. Bake the muffins, rotating the pan halfway through, until golden brown. Insert a tester into the center and it should come out clean, about 30 minutes. Let them cool in pan for 5 minutes, then transfer the muffins to a wire rack and let cool completely.